video. So my last video was pretty loved by you guys, and a lot of you commented that I should do more of these top 5 under 500 rupees product video. So I thought that I discovered some new products which I've fallen in love with, and they're really affordable and are extremely good. So yes, I wanted to go ahead and share my top 5 under 500 in like a more recent time sort of a video. And for those of you who are new to the series, the title is pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to be talking about 5 products which have made me obsessed with them, and they're all under 500 rupees, so they're really affordable. So yes, in no particular order, let's get started. I'm going to start off with Maybelline Fashion Brow. I have been loving this product so much that the print that there was on the packaging has faded away. I have finished this brow pencil, like there is no more brow pencil in there. I had been loving using this on my brows. It just made my brows look so natural yet so fleeky. I also reviewed this along with the grey one. I'm not a very big fan of the grey one, to be very honest with you guys, but this one I loved with all of my heart. It has a pencil on one side and a powder on the other side, so it's great if you want a pencil or a powder or both. So yes, this retails for 245 rupees, so it's essentially like half of 500. So it's a great product if you're new to makeup world and you want something amazing for the brows but you still want it to be affordable. This is a really good option to go for. Then I have been loving this Studio West Pure Passion Radiance Blusher. This retails for 395 rupees and it's such a good size. So I recently did record a full face of first impressions with this. Not recently, like it's been a while, but it would go up like way after this video goes up. So ever since I've used this in my full face of first impressions, I have been smitten by this. I have been using this so non-stop. The packaging is amazing. It's really sleek, it's really classy, and this is what the color looks like. Let me swatch it for you. The powder, the texture, it's just amazing. It's so soft and nice. So this is how the color looks like. It's a beautiful orangey coral color with a lot of golden luminosity to it. So if you're not a person who is like, I want to be strobed, so you can go for this and you can apply it to your apples of the cheeks as well as a bit on the top of the cheeks, and you will have a nice sort of luminosity to your face and not like I have been strobed. So yeah, this is a beautiful blush, will complement all skin types, and it just is smooth. The texture is great. Just, it's a really nice blusher. Then I have been loving the Lakme 95 matte lip colors. I have 3 lip shades in them. So I'm going to show you one by one these lip colors. The first one is Coral Incentive. It's a beautiful coral color. I would really recommend this to people with fair to medium skin tone, not darker than that, because it does have a sort of neon undertone to it, so it can look a little off on darker skin tones, but I have other color options for darker skin tones. So next color that I have in my hands is Red Chaos, which is a beautiful neutral shade which is meant for all skin types. Anyone can use this and it would look beautiful on all of the skin tones. It's not going to look weird or out of place. So it's a nude for people with medium skin tones. For people with fair skin tones, it's like it's going to be a nice browny sort of a color, like not extremely brown but a nudie brown. And for people with darker skin tones, it's again going to be a nice nude color for you. So this one is a really pretty color. And lastly, I have Wine Play from this range, which is not like extremely wine sort of a color. It is more like a red, browny red color. So it's not extremely wine color. So their naming system, however, is not that strong. Their naming system is Blair, because they've given the name Red Chaos to a neutral lipstick, then Wine Play to a browny red. So I'm not really sure how Lakme has kept their name. I think it was like a chit match system, like they had the colors and they had chits for names, and they just picked it up and they're like, oh, it doesn't matter if it's not a red, I will just name it Red Chaos. So yeah, Lakme, step up your game with names. These lipsticks retail for 450 rupees. However, you can get them on great discounts throughout different websites like Nykaa, Jabong, Amazon, Flipkart. You just have to like search for good discounts and you can find good discounts. I'm pretty sure about it. I never thought this day would come, but I've finally fallen in love with a pair of false lashes and I've been wearing them non-stop. So I'm talking about these ones by Ardell. These are in the style 105 Black, so they're pretty natural but they're really wispy. They just like flick out at the corner, so your eyes look really elongated and just, you know, cat-eyed shape. These retail for 375 rupees. Again, you can get it on discount. I got mine from Nykaa and these are so comfortable to wear, guys. Like, you don't even realize you're wearing them. They're extremely light and they're made of natural human hair, so they don't look plasticky or anything of that sort. I'm really sorry, mine are a little all over the place simply because I've used them I think 4 times now, so I need to clean them up or Sorry, my throat is dry on me. Or get a new pair of lashes, and yeah, I will definitely be getting new lashes once these ones go completely bleak. And lastly, I have this liner for you guys. I have used this in a couple of my videos, but it's now that I've finally fallen in love with this. Although I do mention it in every video I use that it's a beautiful liner. This is the Blue Heaven Artisto Kajal. Although it says it's a kajal, it works pretty much like a gel liner. It's packaged beautifully and it just retails for 125 rupees. Guys, it is damn good. So this is what the packaging looks like. You pull out the top and there's a brush, and then you can like unscrew the top and there is the kajal or the gel liner. So this gel liner, kajal, whatever you want to name it, is beautifully pigmented. It is really nice and jet black, and it's really smooth and creamy to use on the eyes as well. Look at that swatch, it's really jet black and it's beautiful. And I'm a big fan of the packaging as well. So with that, we complete another top 5 under 500 rupees video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you want me to continue this series, and as and when I fall in love with new products which are under 500 rupees, I can share them with you guys. And I think it's great because these products are affordable, they're easily available, and they're just thebomb.com. But obviously your opinion matters a lot to me, so let me know if you guys are interested in more top 5 under 500. Also, do not forget to leave me other suggestions on videos which you want me to do in future. Your suggestions really mean a lot to me, and I have been trying to incorporate as many suggestions as I can in my videos. So yes, do not forget to comment below any of your video requests. I would love to do it. Like honestly guys, I would love to do it. So yes, do not forget to check out all of my social media, which again would be listed in the bottom bar, and I will see you guys after tomorrow. Till then, take care. Mwah. Love you. Bye.